background. I've seen many YouTubers using these types of motion background, which makes their video 10x engaging. If you're also thinking to use these types of background, but you do not know where you will get it or from where you will download it,
so this video is only for you.
Many YouTubers are selling these background for some dollars. But for you today, I'm not only giving 20, not 50, but 101 motion background.
And it's totally free.
And as you are my viewers and watch the video till here, I'm also giving you a special pack of 121 sound effects, which include click, whoosh, pop-up, notification, and typing. Like this, you can get 10 different categories of sound effects and motion background. You can just download it from the link in the description. This link will redirect you to a drive file where you can download any resources that you want.
Okay, now let's end the video. Before that, I want to tell you that
no matter how challenging it is, just learn from each experience. Subscribe.